Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Ever forgotten your Apple ID password and couldn't unlock your iPhone? Or got stuck on the activation lock screen during a reset? Don't worry today. I'll show you 3 reliable ways to unlock any iPhone and reset your password. Method 1. Change the password on the iForgot website. If you forgot your Apple ID password or just want to change it, I'm gonna show you super easy steps to do it on the official site, iForgot.com. What is iForgot.com? iForgot.com is Apple's official site for recovering your Apple ID. You can use it to reset your password, unlock a locked account, or start account recovery if other methods don't work. It's especially helpful if you forgot your password or your account was locked for security reasons. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to iForgot.com. That's Apple's official page for resetting your password. Enter your Apple ID email, then click Continue. And now Apple's gonna ask you to verify your identity. Enter your phone number that you use with Apple ID. Check your phone for the verification code Apple sends via SMS or notification. Type the code you got into the box on the website, then click Continue. What if you don't get the code? You can click Don't have access to your phone to address. Once your phone is successfully verified, you can reset a password to unlock your phone. If you forget your phone number or other information, let's move on to the next step. Method 2. Reset password in the Setting app. If you have logged into this Apple ID on another device, you can also use this method to directly change the Apple ID password. In Settings, tap your name, then tap Sign In and Security. Scroll to the bottom to find Change Password. With 2-step verification, just enter the code sent to your phone, and if it doesn't show up, tap Didn't get a code to resend it. Then just type in a new password to finish the reset. Now, go back to Sign In and Security. Here you can set up a recovery key and recovery contacts to avoid getting locked out in the future. Just click on Recovery Key to create a 28-character code that helps reset your password if you forget it. You can also turn on recovery contacts to add trusted people who can help you recover your account when needed. This works, but if you didn't set it up or it's an emergency, the next method is better. Method 3. Unlock using Tenorshare for UK. If you forgot your Apple ID or password, this tool can remove the activation lock directly. It also works on all kinds of iPads and can unlock them within 2 hours. Highly recommend it. First, download 4UK from the link in the video description and install it on your computer. Then connect your locked iPhone to your computer with cable. Launch the 4UK. Click Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start and read and accept the 4UK promoted disclaimer. Your device will be put into recovery mode. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to enter DFU Mode, which is required to start the jailbreak process. Quickly press volume down buttons, then hold the side button when the screen go black. After about 2 to 4 seconds, off the side button and continue holding the volume down button. If an Apple logo shows up on the phone, start this process over again. But if the screen says black, it is actually in DFU mode. Once DFU mode is detected, the jailbreak will start automatically. It usually takes about 10 minutes, so you can wait while having a cup of coffee and keep your iPhone connected until it's done. After the jailbreak completes, it's time to remove the activation lock for good. Click Start Again. Your device will reboot and enter recovery mode. Follow the prompts to enter DFU mode one more time, so 4UK can begin removing the activation lock. Wait for the last process to finish, and that's it. The activation lock is gone. After that, 4UK will give you some tips on using your device, so be sure to take a look. Now you can set up your iPhone like new and sign in with a new Apple ID from the App Store. And there you have it. You've bypassed activation lock without needing your old Apple ID or password. If this helped you, drop a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.